Hello and welcome back to In Bulgarian. In this lesson, you will learn to introduce friends and relatives in all kinds of situations. You will also learn a little about genders in Bulgarian, noun genders, and you will learn some words describing friends and relatives. So let's get started. The easiest way of introducing more than one person is to say these are and their names. For example, това са Anna и Ivo. These are Anna and Ivo. Това са Anna и Ivo. The second way of introducing more than one person is to say these are, state the relationship to you and their name. And before we go any further, we need to talk a little about gender nouns in Bulgarian. Much like French, Italian, Polish, and a number of other languages, Bulgarian has grammatical genders. If you are an English native speaker, you can think of the word boat. It's always a she, right? It's always the princess of the lake or the queen of the sea or something similar. The boat is never a he. And why? Well, we don't know why. It's just the way it is. So it's exactly the same with the gender of nouns in Bulgarian. They all have genders which can be masculine, feminine, or neuter. And as a general rule, words ending in a consonant are masculine, but there exist many exceptions. Words ending in a or ya are feminine, but again there are some exceptions. And words ending in o or e are neuter, with not so many exceptions. So what can you do if you want to remember the gender of a word? You can try to memorize it with the indefinite article meaning a or one in English. Let's have an example here. You can remember the gender of a noun in the masculine with the word edin. For example, edin sin, a son, one son. You can use the word edna, again meaning a or one for feminine nouns, as in the example Edna dëshтеря, one daughter, Edna dëshтеря. And you can use the word edno, meaning a or one for neuter nouns, as in the example edno dete, one child, edno dete. I will indicate the gender of the new words with an M for masculine, F for feminine, or N for neuter. Before we move on, it's useful to point out that the words for boy and girl in Bulgarian are grammatically neuter. So you will use the word edno to remember them. Edno момче, a boy, edno момиче, a girl, but grammatically they're neutral. Once again, that was a boy edno момче and a girl edno момиче. And now let's dive in the new vocabulary. Brat, brother, brat. Един брат, one brother, masculine. Братя, plural, brothers. Братя, brothers. Това са братята ми Иван и Асен. These are my brothers, Ivan and Asen. The syllable at the very end of the word for brothers, bratya, is again the definite article. Сестра, sister, сестра. Една сестра, one sister. Една сестра. Сестри, plural, sisters. Сестри, sisters. Това са сестрите ми Катя и Роси. These are my sisters, Katya and Rosi. Това са сестрите ми, Катя и Роси. Родител, parent, родител. Родители, parents, родители. Това са родителите ми, Ана и Иво. Това са родителите ми, Ана и Иво. These are my parents, Anna and Ivo. Син, son, син. Един син. One son. Синове, синове, sons. Това са синовете ми, Росен и Николай. Това са синовете ми, Росен и Николай. These are my sons, Rosen and Николай. Дъщеря, daughter, дъщеря. Една дъщеря, one daughter, една дъщеря. Дъщери, daughters, дъщери. Това са дъщерите ми, Елена и Силвия. Това са дъщерите ми, Елена и Силвия. These are my daughters, Елена and Sylvia. Дете, child, дете. Едно дете, one child, едно дете. Деца, children, деца. Имам две деца. И I have two children. Имам две деца. And you can follow with any combination of female or male names. Приятел, male friend or boyfriend. Приятел. Един приятел. A friend. Един приятел. A friend. Приятели. Friends. All male or a mixed group. Приятели. Това са приятелите ми. Това са приятелите ми. These are my friends. And follow with any mix of male and or female names. Това са приятелите ми. Приятелка. Female friend or girlfriend. Приятелка. Една приятелка. A friend, female. Една приятелка. Приятелки. Female friends, plural. Приятелки. Това са приятелките ми. These are my female friends. Follow with any number of female names. Това са приятелките ми. Колега. Colleague, male. Колега. Един колега. A colleague, male. Колеги. Colleagues. All male or a group of male and female. Това са колегите ми. Това са колегите ми. These are my colleagues. Follow with any number of male or female names or a mix. Колежка. Female colleague. Колежка. Една колежка. A female colleague. Една колежка. Колежки. Colleagues. Female. Колежки. Това са колежките ми. Това са колежките ми. These are my female colleagues. And that's all for today. Do join me in the next video which will be our final video on formal introductions, with the titles Mr., Mrs., Miss, and Doctor. That's all for now. Thanks and see you soon for more Bulgarian. Bye now.